Hello, my name is Josue Martinez-Montero, and I'm a Senior Manager for Partner Customer Advocacy. Today, I'd like to introduce you to Dynamics 365 Fraud Protection. When we look out across the fraud landscape, we see a variety of attack vectors ranging from anonymous users trying to block inventory, through account creation, login, and activities, to purchases and returns. With fraudsters launching more sophisticated attacks every day, we believe the best strategy for maximizing your profits and reducing fraud is by taking a holistic view of the customer journey. In order to help our customers do this, Dynamics 365 Fraud Protection is actually a suite of products, each covering a different stage of the journey. We first launched Purchase Protection in October of 2019 and have since expanded to include account protection for the full online account lifecycle, as well as loss prevention to combat shrinkage from in-store transactions. Both capabilities are currently in preview and will launch later in 2020. Today, we'll briefly demo a few experiences from each product in order to give you an overview of what the full suite can do. We'll begin by creating a basic rule. Rules can be configured based on any nodes or attributes available in the data schema, and you can create custom lists based on your business, which can be imported or manually updated. You can set a decision to either reject all transactions that match a particular pattern, or that match a pattern and fall within a given risk score. In this case, we'll set a rule to reject any t-shirt purchases with a risk score greater than 100 out of 1,000 and activate the rule. In terms of the end user experience, let's assume a customer goes and prepares to make a purchase using this demo storefront. In the background, our device fingerprinting solution is identifying over 100 unique features associated with the device to determine whether this is a bot. All of these features also factor into the generation of an overall risk assessment score. As you can see, once the user issues the purchase, the API returns in less than a second. Changing gears to Graph Explorer, an analyst can now use this tool to take a deeper look at individual entities or transactions to better understand the connections and patterns, all without having to write a single database query. You can recenter the tool on connected entities to further explore the intersections within the data. Each entity can be expanded to show all of the associated metadata, making for faster and easier investigations. The built-in support tool can search across a variety of identifiers and is designed to provide your frontline customer support agents with the tools they need to handle fraud-related questions. An account summary, transaction history, and individual transaction details are all readily available. Role-based access controls are used to ensure different users are only allowed access to the appropriate resources. Switching gears to account protection, we've built a new rules experience to give analysts additional flexibility. Using a query language complete with IntelliSense, an analyst can go through and create custom rules based on observed attack patterns, policies, or business objectives. These rules can be checked upfront to ensure policy compliance, after bot scoring to reject potential bots, or after an overall risk score has been generated. Finally, loss prevention allows analysts to upload historical transaction information from any retail point of sale system to check for anomalies related to purchases, employee discount usage, returns, and other inventory issues. While today's preview supports file upload, we are adding additional data connectors to common systems to make it even easier to run the analysis. Once the report is ready, it can be downloaded for review. Again, while the current preview supports a file download, we are launching an interactive user experience in the coming weeks. As you can see, the report contains summaries of anomalous terminals and staff, as well as a detailed view for each. Transactions are scored using advanced machine learning, similar to purchase protection, and the scores are used to identify anomalous behavior to help your loss prevention team focus their efforts more efficiently. This has been just a brief overview of the capabilities offered through Dynamics 365 Fraud Protection. For more information, you can visit our website at aka.ms/DFP and request additional details. One of our specialists would be more than happy to answer any additional questions you may have. Thanks, and we look forward to hearing from you.